when I came on here. This is New Year. Oh. I don't know what's going on. You all don't want to talk to me. Did I do anything wrong? Can you hear me at all? Can you hear me? I know my voice is down, but I don't know. Nobody is talking. Hey. Mo gbé o. Mo gbé o. If you can hear me and you don't want to comment so that we know where you are watching from, you are doing Ojoro. You are doing Ojoro. Let me tell you. And they are just staring at me like that. You are still doing Ojoro. Okay, oh. I'll still be here waiting for my friends to come on. I guess people that used to be here are not here yet. They are not here yet. When they are here, you guys will know. You will see how interactive our life used to be. But right now, I don't know what's going on. Oh. Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Is it that most of you have not entered the New Year in your own country, in your own time zone? I don't know. But in Nigeria here, we're already in 2025. And this is already evening time. So very soon now, enter second. Enter second. If you are just joining, guys, if you are just joining, let me make this clear. If you are just joining, make sure you are communicating. Make sure you are dropping a comment. Make sure you are liking. You are subscribing. See this phone, eh? You on a run. Take. Go to watch that one. New Year. I want to buy a good phone. Because this phone is suffering me. It's making me pass through thick and thin. Hey, can you imagine? I'll just be on live and the temperature of this phone will just be so high, so high that I can't even do anything. It will just log me off. Then I'll have to wait for it to be cold. No be juju be that. Hey guys, if you're just joining, welcome. Happy New Year to you. Today not today. I don't know why I just stopped coming on live, because I don't know what's happening right now. Before, when I would be here, a lot of people would be here, would be interacting, but I don't know what's just going on. YouTube, what is going on? Is people not getting to me? Are they not getting notified? They are supposed to get notified now. Not even a single chat. Okay, just Bob that said hi, and that was a long time. Oh, be this one now. My network is so bad. Father Lord, I'm already tired. God, guys, pardon my nose and my cough. I'm just tired. Oh God, my stomach is paining me. Just want to lie down. Maybe some minutes time off. Oh Jesus. Hey guys, happy new year to all of you all. Happy New Year. Thanks for joining the light once again. Drop in the comment